we have the management of Angel One now joining us. The company in the month of May has seen pretty good traction across the board. We have the management now joining us to take some questions. Prabhakar Tiwari is Chief Growth Officer at Angel One. Prabhakar, good morning. Good to have you with us here. You know, markets
Good morning.
are
Thanks
booming.
for calling me. Yeah.
It's a very pretty constructive environment all around. So could you just tell us, you know, how many new clients did you add in the month of May? How many active clients do you have? What are you seeing really going forward? It'll, at the end of the day, depend on how markets do, because it's a cyclical kind of a business. Although cyclicality has reduced over the last couple of years. But if you can start with some of those basic numbers.
If you look at it, you know, we had a good May month, close to 500,000 customers, which is a 20% jump over what we had in the month of April. More importantly, I would like to talk about number of orders, which has seen a 33% jump over April 23. Honestly, as a transaction platform, we focus more on number of orders, you know, and because this is a real measurement and KPI for us in terms of how our business is performing. And we were among the first one publicly listed, retail broking platform, which have been consistently sharing this data. So, and this gives us a lot of leeway in terms of keep focusing on our product experience and making customers prefer us for transacting with us.
So number of clients went up 20% month on month, but number of orders went up 30% plus month on month.
Yeah.
Okay. And what you're able to charge for these orders? What was the number and what was the traction?
See, I mean, our pricing is, this is zero brokerage on, cash segment and 20 rupees on intraday and derivative segment. So, that continues, and that if you also see, if you look at our F&O market share, that has gone up by 8 basis point to 23.9. And in commodity, we have gone up from a 55% market share in April to around 57% market share in the month of May.
Right. That's pretty good reading in terms of market share, Mr. Tiwari. But do you see more of the same? Do you have a target market share in both the F&O as well as commodity markets?
See, normally, we focus more on the market share, which is far more in our control, which is our acquisition market share. So as long as we see the profitability trend across our acquisition channels, we actually dial up or dial down our acquisition efforts. Now, the number of orders and market share in specific segments are a reflection of what's really happening in the market. Our job is to ensure that our product experience is superior, our journey keeps on improving, and we come out with new feature, which makes it possible for investors and traders to really, engage with the market the way they see fit.
Sure. So you said that the number of clients were up 20% month on month. Can you help us with what the growth could look like over the next few months in terms of number of clients? And I understand that a large chunk of your clients in FY23, the new clients that came in, were under the age of 25. Can you tell us what the, the sort of ratio would look like? Where are the large amount of clients coming in from? Just to understand what the triggers for the business could look like over the next couple of months.
See, I would not like to make any forward-looking statement as such, but however, as long as we are, following the profitability guardrail, we would like to keep it around this number. However, one thing I can share that we have, kind of migrated our entire customer base to our super app in Q4 last year. So after stabilizing everything in Q1, Q2 will see investment from us on brand marketing, social media marketing, and influencer marketing. I would assume that this will have a positive impact on our acquisition numbers.
Okay. There was this recent announcement where the Bank Nifty expiry has been shifted from Thursday to Friday. Will that in any way help the company meaningfully?
I mean, we all are kind of waiting for that change to take effect. It will be premature for me to make any comment on that. Honestly, our platform is ready, stable, and scalable for any change in, transaction volume. So I would reserve my comment, till we see this in action.
Now, the reason I asked is because, it could lead to higher volumes, right? Now, customers could trade more with the same margin. So, is there a possibility of this leading to higher volumes?
Yeah, could be. I mean, could be. I mean, if I align with your reasoning, I mean, this could be the possible outcome.
Sorry, just to press that point, what Sonia asked, just a broader sense, where are these new clients now coming from? Which cities, if you want to name? Because you'll have that granular data in the last couple of months. Where exactly?
See, I mean, it has been consistent. More than 90% are coming from Tier 2, Tier 3, Tier 4. We are seeing a lot of traction in newer markets like UP and Madhya Pradesh, and also the existing market like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan are also showing, good numbers. Eventually we are following a pattern of mobile device usage, falling internet bandwidth, and a lot of, educational exposure which is happening all thanks to YouTube and OTT phenomena.
By the way, would you know what percentage of your transactions happen via the mobile phone?
It is upwards of 96% or more.
Wow.
But I'm excluding here some of the transactions in the sub-broker channel, but it is very, very healthy, closer to kind of 99% kind of number.
Wow, that's great. That's a lot of trends, right? 99% of people are doing the transactions through mobile phones. More than 43% of the clients that they acquired last year are less than 25 years of age. So you're seeing where all the money is coming in from and how the money is going into the stock markets, right? Thanks a lot for joining in. Appreciate your thoughts. Let's slip into a quick break on that note. On the other side of the break, Shrikant Chauhan will join in for some technical trades. Stay tuned.